Feeling secure about your online money transfers with Nationwide is simpler than you think. First, make sure you have your Nationwide card reader, your debit card, and are logged into your Nationwide online banking account on your computer. Now turn on your card reader by pressing the green button. You should see a prompt on the screen asking you to insert your card. Go ahead and insert your Nationwide debit card, chip first, into the reader. Next, the card reader will prompt you to enter your card's PIN. Use the keypad on the card reader to carefully enter your PIN and press the green button to confirm. On your computer screen, navigate to the section where you initiate a money transfer. Fill in all the recipient details like account number, sort code, and the amount you wish to transfer. Before you can complete the transaction, Nationwide will ask you to authenticate it using your card reader. The online banking screen will display a unique challenge code. Pay close attention to this code as you will need it in the next step. Now, on your card reader, use the arrow buttons to select the response option and press the green button. The card reader will then ask you to enter the challenge code displayed on your computer screen. Carefully type in the code using the card reader's keypad and press the green button to confirm. The card reader will now generate an 8-digit code. Crucially, before proceeding, double-check that the last few digits of the recipient's account number displayed on the card reader match the recipient's account number you entered on your computer. This is a vital security check. Enter this 8-digit code into the designated field on your Nationwide online banking screen and click Confirm or Submit to complete the money transfer. And that's it. You've successfully used your Nationwide card reader to make a secure online money transfer. Remember to always double-check the recipient details on your card reader before confirming.